How to order on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can place order on the Shein app. So make sure to watch this video till the end. If you don't know what Shein is, then Shein is an online fashion shopping application and also a platform where you can shop for various products. Now first, just make sure you have updated the Shein app. Once you've updated the Shein app, I want you to go over, open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now here by default, you'll be able to see multiple types of categories. Just go to your categories on which you want to shop and simply browse the products as well. For example, let's say I want to shop this product right over here. I will simply open the catalog of this product over here, as you can see. Now what I will do is at the bottom of the screen, you can see the option that says add to bag. So just tap on it. As you tap on add to bag, first you might also as well want to select the size. For example, if I select the medium size as well over here, I will tap on the add to bag button. Add to bag basically means adding it to cart. Now repeat the process for all the other products that you want to shop. Once you've finished adding the products to your bag and we want to check this out, then we have to tap on the cart icon, which is also the bag icon from the top right corner. On Shein, shopping bag is basically also called shopping cart. Now once you do that, make sure you have selected the products that you want to check out. So as you can see, the products over here, and from the bottom right of the screen, you can tap on the checkout button. Once you tap on the checkout button, it will ask you for your shipping address. So we're going to go ahead and then enter our shipping address over here. Now once you have selected your address, you might as well also want to fill out your first name, your last name, your phone number. You need to enter the correct phone number for delivery. Make sure you have access to this phone number. You can enter your address line 1. Address line 2 is basically optional. You have to enter the postcode and zip code, which is compulsory or mandatory. You might as well also want to select your province, your city. If you want, you can make this address as your default address by turning on this toggle over here, so that next time as well, you can just go ahead and enter these addresses in the box. Now once you've filled in all of the required details, just tap on the save button, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on save, you'll be taken to a page where you have to confirm your checkout process using your PayPal, your debit or Visa card or anything as such, in order to also confirm the payment process. And once you've confirmed it, you might as well also receive an email on the email that you've added on Shein about the delivery confirmation. And that's all it takes to place order on Shein. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.